This is one of our greatest challenges with our clients, is convincing them to allow us to focus on keywords that will really convert versus what we like to call vanity keywords. And you may be wondering, what is a vanity keyword? Well, these are the keywords that typically involve terms like personal injury attorney, which are terms that people on the street typically don't use, and they typically don't use when they need to find an attorney online. These are just words that attorneys like to compete with for each other and make sure they're ranking well, but they don't actually convert business.
And checking out your analytics to make sure that you're using those keywords that people are actually finding you for is a great way to get some insight on what people are actually searching for on the web rather than what you think you're searching for. There's a lot of great tools that actually can help you find the keywords that might not have as much competition, like personal injury attorney Atlanta might. You might find keywords that are a little bit more specific to what your practice area would be and understanding what people are actually searching for rather than just guessing. And it can give you a lot of great information. Like Google's keyword tool actually gives you the amount of people that search for terms globally in a month and then in your specific area that you choose. That's a great tool to use. SpyFu is also a great one that has some free testing that goes on there that you can test the tool for yourself, and that's something that we use on a regular basis at Foster Web Marketing to make decisions about what the right keywords to use are when trying to convert customers rather than just gaining visibility just to have visibility for a keyword that you think you're going to rank for.
Right, and I think we've had some interesting examples recently with clients who were surprised at the types of keyword phrases that people use to actually find their business. I think Zach has a really great example from a recent call with a client where the words he thought would convert weren't actually what caused the visitor to come to the page. I think This is a really great example.
So basically I was talking to a workers' compensation attorney, and they had mentioned that someone had come to their business and said that they had radiating pain. And that's not something that I had really thought of using before. You would think numbness and pain in arms, legs, those kind of things. But when people get injured, they're going to the doctor, they're hearing what the doctor's saying, and then they want to know more about what their issue is. So the doctor says, oh, you have radiating pain from your shoulder down to your legs. That could be another issue that you're having, and they'll search for radiating pain online as opposed to numbness and pain. So when you actually look at the numbers, I think on a monthly scale, people are searching for radiating pain 7 to 10 times more than they are numbness and pain. So that's just a really good example of what people are actually searching for as opposed to what you think that they're searching for.
Right, and this is a great example of not only using tools to do your research, but listen to your clients. Every day people are coming into your office or they're talking to you on the phone and they're using natural language. So make sure you're listening to them and that you can turn those terms that they're using into content for your website.